discover 15 time-saving inventions that can simplify your daily routine and boost productivity. From smart kitchen gadgets to efficient home tools and clever tech solutions, these innovations are designed to help you get more done in less time. Whether you're juggling work, family, or both, these practical inventions can make everyday tasks easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on these must-have tools for a smarter lifestyle. ToothShower 10. The ToothShower X, priced at $109.99, is a compact shower-powered water flosser designed for efficient mess-free oral care. Smaller and sleeker than the original, it connects directly to your shower, providing a continuous water supply. No batteries or refills required. A custom diverter valve enables precise flow control, perfect for sensitive gums. It includes multiple accessories like a gum massager, irrigating toothbrush, and tongue cleaner for a customized experience. With built-in storage, a mirror, and a space-saving design, it's a smart and hygienic upgrade to any bathroom routine. QuickFree click-TRAK Magnetic. The QuickFree click-TRAK magnetic zipper is a revolutionary fastening solution combining two advanced technologies: magnetic closure and a quick release slider. The magnetic system automatically aligns and engages both sides of the zipper when brought close together, offering effortless operation. Ideal for activewear, outerwear, and gear, it enhances convenience and functionality. The quick release slider enables smooth, rapid opening with minimal effort, perfect for quick changes or emergency situations. Designed for both performance and ease of use, the QuickFree click-TRAK redefines what a modern zipper can do in daily life. Caper Cart. Caper Carts are AI-powered, smart shopping carts developed by Instacart to streamline and enhance the grocery shopping experience. These carts feature automated item recognition, built-in scales for produce, real-time price tracking, and a digital display that syncs with shopping lists. Shoppers can view personalized deals, receive digital receipts, and pay directly on the cart, eliminating checkout lines. For retailers, Caper Carts offer improved inventory management, enhanced customer insights, and targeted advertising opportunities. With features like gamification and in-store navigation, Caper Carts turn grocery trips into a seamless and engaging experience for both shoppers and stores. Posha. Price at $1,750. US dollars, formerly Nimble, is an AI-powered robotic kitchen appliance that cooks complete meals with minimal human input. Using computer vision, it identifies ingredients, monitors cooking, and makes real-time adjustments like a skilled chef. It handles tasks like stirring, flipping, and heat regulation while adding ingredients at the perfect moment. Users can select or customize recipes via the companion app, and Posha adapts over time to personal tastes. With a library of 1,000 plus recipes and capacity for 4 to 5 servings, Posha brings convenience, precision, and smart automation to everyday home cooking. Hedgehog GO. The Hedgehog GO is a premium dual-purpose dryer featuring a 700-watt high-performance motor that delivers 105,000 RPM airflow and 300 Pascal pressure for rapid, efficient drying. Weighing just 350 grams, it's ultra lightweight and perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. Designed for versatility, it effectively dries both shoes and hair with ease, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. Its compact form doesn't compromise on power, offering professional-grade performance in a portable package. Ideal for users seeking top-tier engineering and multifunctionality in a sleek, modern design. PUDU CC1 Pro. The PUDU CC1 Pro, priced at $24,000 US, is an advanced AI-powered autonomous cleaning robot designed for large commercial spaces. It delivers a 4-in-1 solution: sweeping, scrubbing, vacuuming, and mopping. With intelligent features like AI-driven spot scrubbing, slam navigation, and obstacle avoidance. With a coverage capacity of 5,000 to 8,000 square meters per session, it includes automated water refill, drainage, and detergent dosing via its docking station. A 10.1-inch touchscreen, long battery life, and app-based management enhance user control. Certified under IEC 63327 standards, the CC1 Pro ensures safe, efficient, and hands-free cleaning at scale. LG AI Washing Machine. The LG AI Washing Machine, $749, features AI DD technology that detects fabric type and weight, optimizing each wash for improved fabric care and energy savings. Turbo Wash uses jet spray for faster cycles without sacrificing performance, while steam reduces allergens and wrinkles. ThinQ AI enables remote control, cycle monitoring, and personalized suggestions via app. With 6 motion DD, the machine uses varied motions for effective yet gentle cleaning. Designed for efficiency, it reduces water and energy use, making it smart, powerful, and ideal for modern laundry needs. Zipline. A zipline is an exciting outdoor attraction that uses a pulley suspended on a sloped stainless steel cable, allowing riders to glide from a higher to a lower point. Riders wear a secure harness connected to the pulley, creating a thrilling flying sensation. Popular in adventure parks and resorts, ziplines offer a mix of adrenaline and scenic views. The concept also extends beyond recreation. Companies like Zipline use similar aerial systems for drone delivery of medical supplies and goods to remote areas, blending fun with innovative real-world applications. EyeVac Plus. The EyeVac Plus by EyeVac is a dual-function, touchless vacuum and trash bin designed for convenience and cleanliness. Priced at $249, this sleek appliance features a stainless steel finish in silver or gunmetal. Measuring 14.8 inches by 10.6 inches by 27.6 inches and weighing 14 pounds, it fits seamlessly into kitchens, salons, or offices. The built-in vacuum activates automatically to suck up debris, while the 2-litre canister ensures ample capacity. Its touchless operation enhances hygiene, making it a smart solution for modern living. Clean floors and manage waste effortlessly with the stylish and efficient EyeVac Plus. Just Walkout Technology. Just Walkout Technology, JWO, is Amazon's innovative checkout-free shopping system. It allows customers to enter a store, pick up items, and leave without waiting in line. Using computer vision, sensor fusion, and AI, the system detects what shoppers take and charges their selected payment method automatically upon exit. JWO enhances convenience, speeds up shopping, and improves operational efficiency. Originally launched in Amazon Go stores, it's now used in universities, stadiums, and other retail environments. While efficient, it raises questions around accuracy and oversight, though it does not collect biometric data. Ohea Smart Bed. The Ohea Smart Bed is an innovative, self-making bed designed to save time and effort each morning. Equipped with robotic arms and rollers, it straightens sheets and blankets in under 60 seconds. Cords lift the pillows to tuck bedding neatly beneath. It operates via automatic sensors or manual remote control and includes a safety feature to prevent activation while occupied. The system requires compatible bedding for proper function. Ideal for busy individuals or families, the Ohea Smart Bed offers a futuristic solution to a daily chore, making luxury convenience part of your everyday routine. LunchGO. LunchGO, price at $40 US, offers a curated lunch experience with global flair and balanced nutrition. Each meal includes a protein, starch, and vegetables, ranging from sandwiches and wraps to rice dishes, soups, and pastas. Enjoy options like chicken salad wraps, chickpea bowls, biryani, noodle stir-fries, or quesadillas. With versatile choices such as pasta salads, hearty stews, and globally inspired recipes like black bean tacos or spiced lentil curries. LunchGO caters to every palate. Perfect for workdays or on-the-go lifestyles, it delivers variety, taste, and nutrition in one convenient, delicious package. Angry Miao Mouse. The Angry Miao Mouse, priced at $129, delivers ultra-responsive and agile control, ideal for gamers and professionals seeking precision. Its advanced sensor technology ensures smoother, silkier cursor movement, especially noticeable on high refresh rate displays. Whether you're gaming or designing, every movement feels fluid and natural. With pinpoint targeting accuracy, your cursor lands exactly where you intend, eliminating lag or drift. Designed for speed, accuracy, and comfort, this mouse offers a premium experience for those who demand top-tier performance. Elevate your control and precision with the Angry Miao Mouse. Sphinx Cat Feeder. The Sphinx S1 Cat Feeder, $349, is a smart, automated feeder tailored for wet food and ideal for sensitive breeds like the Sphinx. It features a refrigerated chamber to keep food fresh for up to 2 weeks and gently warms each portion to an optimal temperature. With smart portion control, UV sterilization, and multi-pet recognition, it ensures hygienic, personalized feeding. Users can control schedules and monitor their cat via smartphone with two-way audio-video. Designed to prevent whisker fatigue and food theft, it's a revolutionary solution for feline nutrition and care. Moonwalkers Aero. Moonwalkers Aero price at $1,399. Next-gen robotic shoes by Shift Robotics, designed to boost walking speed and efficiency. With a top speed of 7.0 miles per hour and a range of up to 7 miles, they charge to 80% in just 30 minutes. Each foot weighs only 4.2 pounds. Their sleek ergonomic design features air intakes for cooling and quieter operation. Upgrades include a magnesium alloy powertrain and intuitive OS3 software that adapts to your pace. Custom acceleration, lock mode, and training mode enhance usability, making urban commuting faster, smarter, and more enjoyable.